In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an invoice and receive payments in QuickBooks. Start by locating the New button at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Click Create to open the available options, then select Invoice. This will open the invoice creation page. Begin by entering the customer's details. Add the customer's name, contact information, and any other relevant identifiers required for the invoice. Review the customer information and make sure everything is correct. Next, go to the Products and Services section. Enter the specific products or services provided to the customer. Add each item or service along with the quantity and price. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount due. Once the products or services have been entered, look toward the top right part of the screen and select Manage. Under Manage, find the available payment options. If you want to use QuickBooks Payments, you can set it up from this section. If you prefer another payment method, you can specify how the customer can pay you, such as by bank transfer or check. Make sure the payment method is clearly stated on the invoice. Once the customer details, products or services, amounts, and payment information have been entered, review the invoice. Check each section to make sure the information is accurate. When everything is correct, send the invoice to your customer. QuickBooks allows you to send the invoice electronically, so select the option to send it when you're ready. Your invoice is now created and sent to the customer. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.